Hello, my name's Shabana and welcome to the Hedin Automotive YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your phone to Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Once you're in the vehicle with the infotainment system on, from the home screen, simply swipe to the left. Once you're in the menu, you'll see two options of Android Auto or Apple CarPlay. Simply click the one relevant to your smartphone. From the pop-out window, simply click Confirm and it will take you to the connectivity menu. Here, you will find the new device option. Simply click on that and find your device. Our device is Hedin Automotive, so we're simply just going to click it from the list. A message will appear to connect your phone to the Apple CarPlay. Simply click Connect. For any questions, please get in touch via the details below. For more tips and tricks, please follow us on Instagram and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.